Hello, my name is Alessia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. Today, I would like to help you to expand your vocabulary in a quick and easy way. Expand means to increase or make something bigger. Let's get started. We will talk about how to guess the meaning of a word or make a word. You know the word do, and you've heard from me, you have to redo your work. What does redo mean? Re or re is a prefix. That means to do it again or do something again. So, my sentence, you have to redo your work, means you have to do your work again. So, if you want to increase your vocabulary quickly and easily, you may use this. Add a prefix to the word that you already know. Start, restart. Fresh, refresh. As I have already said before, re is a prefix that means do it again. By the way, prefix is a letter or a group of letters that we add at the beginning of the word to change the meaning of a word or to make a new word. Let's look at more examples. Fill, refill. I should refill my glass with water. At a restaurant, a waiter can refill your drink. It means that he can add more water or more coffee for you. You may also refill your medicine at the pharmacy. Do, redo. I want to redo my project. It means I want to do it again because I am not happy with the result. Fund, refund. To refund means to give money back. When I return a purchase, the store refunds my money. Set, reset. For example, you can reset your settings on your phone or computer. And it means to erase and restore the settings. To restart or to reboot means to turn it off and then to turn back on.
Heat, reheat, build, rebuild, schedule, reschedule.
View, review. To review means to talk about something again. For example, in my classes, we usually review the vocabulary or grammar that we have studied before. Prefix miss means wrong or badly. You can attach miss to a verb, understand or misunderstand, which means that you understand someone or something in a wrong way. Behave, misbehave. To behave means to act, to do things that are good or bad. When you hear you have to behave, it means you have to be good. Usually, when we speak with children, we may say, you should behave well. It means you should be a good boy or a good girl. Misbehave means to be or behave in a bad way. There are always some kids who misbehave.
Pronounce, mispronounce. Inform, misinform. Spell, misspell.
You can also add miss to a noun.
Communication, miscommunication. Understanding, misunderstanding. Trust, mistrust.
Prefix un means not. This prefix is very common for adjectives. Look, friendly, unfriendly, and it means not friendly. I will give you more examples, and please keep in mind when we add un, we mean not.
Safe, unsafe, happy, unhappy, fair, unfair, common, uncommon, able, unable, stable, unstable.
We can also use the prefix "un" to the verbs lock, unlock, pack, unpack.
Wrap, unwrap, dress, undress, block, unblock,
the prefix dis. Dis is a prefix with the negative meaning. I dislike means I don't like.
agree, disagree, obey, disobey, respect, disrespect.
Prefix pre means before. We can add this prefix to the verb heat, preheat. It means to heat before. Before you make a cake, don't forget to preheat the oven.
School, preschool. Caution, precaution. Registration, pre-registration.
The English prefix multi means many. Vitamin, multivitamins. It means consisting of many different vitamins.
Cultural, multicultural. National, multinational. Media, multimedia.
And now let me give you a hint. When you know what the prefix means, you can easily guess the meaning of the word. As we discussed before, the prefix re means to do it again. And when you hear you have to reread it, you can easily understand that you have to read it again. Have a look at the chart with the prefixes that we discussed today. It can help you understand or sometimes guess the meaning of the word or build the words.
Do, redo, play, replay, start, restart. Fair, unfair, happy, unhappy, safe, unsafe. Like, dislike, agree, disagree, honest, dishonest. School, preschool, view, preview, pay, prepay.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click those subscribe and like buttons. See you soon.